Top 5 apps like ASAP Tickets reviews that actually work today. Everyone wants cheap flights, but nobody wants the stress of endless searching. ASAP Tickets is known for personalized deals, but here are apps that give you great prices with strong reviews and real savings. Number 1. Skyscanner. This app scans hundreds of airlines in seconds. Price Calendar clearly shows the cheapest day to fly. Most people get this wrong. They pick fixed dates. But Skyscanner proves flexibility can save hundreds. Number 2. Hopper. This app predicts prices using data from millions of flights. It tells you whether to book now or wait. It even sends alerts the moment fares drop. Number 3. Kayak. A classic flight search app with a trick most users don't notice. It's price forecast tool. You're not just browsing flights. You're strategizing like a pro traveler. Number 4. Momendo. It often pulls up airlines that the bigger apps miss. Plus, reviews highlight how its hidden gems can reduce travel costs for international trips. Number 5. Expedia. Bundling is the magic here. Book your flight plus hotel together and the savings increase. Rewards points stack up fast, especially if you travel for business. All 5 apps help you do what ASAP Tickets claims to do. Find deals that truly lower your travel budget. And the best part, you're always in control. No calling agents, no waiting for quotes. So if you're planning a vacation, a family visit, or a last-minute getaway, don't overpay. Use these apps, follow the deal alerts, and travel smarter than ever. Your next affordable trip is only a few taps away.